Hello friends, in this video I will show you the best products from AliExpress. I already have some videos on my channel that I decided to combine to remind you again. If you have not seen these videos yet, subscribe to the channel and do not miss the following videos. If you like any smartwatch, all links are listed below. This kitchen gadget is a must-have. If you like the kiwi fruit, you probably know that the only possible option for eating it is doing it with a spoon. However, it just doesn't feel right. If you are like us, a kiwi hipster, you have to buy this. We love it. I personally crushed my sunglasses a few weeks ago, because I always place them on some stupid spot in my car. If it happens to you as well, or you want to prevent this situation, we recommend you to buy this car gadget. It looks cool, it's easy to use, it's small, and most importantly it does exactly what you expect. On top of that, you can choose from 4 colors. You probably know about this gadget. A few years ago, it was so popular that you could see it almost everywhere. However, there is a small chance that you don't own it, and if it's true, try to find a single reason for not buying it. It's so freaking cheap and yet so useful. If you are an adult doing adult things, like having things in the jars, you could like these label stickers. If you order them, you are going to get 36 sticker labels. We ordered them and the material feels like some kind of blackboard. Fortunately, we had a white marker, but if you don't have one, feel free to buy it from AliExpress. It's around 50 cents. We ordered these door hooks, and when they arrived we reached a simple conclusion. It's almost the same product as you can buy from IKEA stores. Its name in IKEA is something like Lillangen hooks, and it costs around $2. So, if you are too lazy to wait and don't mind spending some time in IKEA, you can get it there. In other cases, you can buy it on AliExpress for less than $1. There is not really much to say about this. If you listen to the music and carry your earphones everywhere, you should buy this. The best thing is that you don't have to worry about tangled earphones. It also helps to extend the lifetime of your earphones, because you are not destroying them with your filthy legs while carrying them in your pocket. Buy it, save money. These bicycle lights are really popular on AliExpress. It has thousands of orders in many listings. All of them are pretty much the same, so, if you write bicycle light in AliExpress search, you can try to find something cheaper. The only con is that, if you live in a poorer country, you have to detach them every time you are leaving your bike somewhere in the public. It's really easy to take it off, which is cool, but also tempting for thieves. Yeah, this one is not something that makes you say wow, this is so cool, but it's more practical. We tried this tape and it works just well. Which is kind of surprising, because most of the times when you order something sticky from AliExpress, it's not that good. You can choose from different widths. This price is for 3 meters with 5 millimeters width, which is just enough for most of the things. There is not much to say about this. Let's be honest, it's not really manly, so most of the buyers are girls. However, it's cool and it helps you with everyday smartphone usage. You can choose from various designs and it's less than 40 cents, so you don't have to be sad about it if you won't like it. These memo pads are lovely. It has 30 sheets, it's sticky and it's awesome. You can choose from 8 designs. Some of them are planets, some of them are not. We have like 15 of these notepads with moon design and it looks great. Buy it, you won't regret it. Working out is something that is necessary for our daily life. It makes us healthier and boosts our energy. But most of us don't have the luxury of time going to the gym regularly. And this is where the electronic muscle tens machine stimulator steps in. It helps you tone those abdominal muscles right at the comfort of your home, or even while working in the office. The good thing about this amazing TENS electronic machine is that you can use it while doing other tasks. You can drive while toning that abdominal muscle. You can even use it while enjoying a party and no one will ever notice it. It is very easy to use and so light you can just put inside your bag, and use anytime feel the need to have those muscles firmed. Tone your abdominal muscle while toning your arm muscle as well. Don't let your busy schedule stop you from working out. Everything is possible with the electronic muscle tens machine stimulator. It is very easy to use and very light, you can bring it anywhere. It comes with one abdominal muscle toner and two arm muscle toner. Efficient gel pad that makes the toner stay no matter the activity. It also relieves symptoms of tightened muscle areas. The Amazfit Pace running smartwatch is now available. Pace is a GPS-enabled running watch with up to 11 days of battery life for basic use, up to 5 days for regular use, and 35 hours with continuous heart rate and GPS tracking. 1.34-inch capacitive touchscreen, with HD resolution 320 by 300 pixel, uses Corning Gorilla Glass material, high quality. The onboard music storage allows for phone-free running while tracking your essential metrics like pace, cadence, distance, time, heart rate and more. Receive notifications for incoming calls, messages, emails and other apps. GPS Plus Glotness can precisely record your daily movement, mileage, altitude, stride frequency, pace and other professional sports data, help you analyze and improve your sports level. Push instant information, such as Facebook, WhatsApp, let you real-time receive information. When a call or a message is coming, the watch will remind you via vibration. Never miss any important call or message. The ZBlaze Thor, the sport and fitness smartwatch, is loaded with high-end specs that we usually see on a high-end Android Wear smartwatch and Tizen. The ZBlaze Thor has a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display screen with a high resolution of 400 by 400 pixels. This is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which surely is enticing for smartwatch fans. The ZBlaze Thor has a sporty design and with a slim stainless steel bezel, a button on the upper right side that serves as a home, power button, a camera on the side. The body is connected to a TPU straw with stainless steel buckle. Fossil jump into sport wearable with its latest Fossil Q Control Gen 3 sports smartwatch. The new Android Wear 2.0 smartwatch has a sporty look, having a stainless steel body, with a two-tone removable strap. The display is AMOLED, having a 1.39-inch screen with 450 by 450 pixel resolution. The smartwatch is IP67 waterproof, and can withstand up to 50 meters of water. Under the hood, just like other Android Wear 2.0 smartwatch by Fossil, the Fossil Q Control is powered by the latest Qualcomm processor Snapdragon Wear 2100, with 4 GB of internal storage and 768 MB of RAM. Sensors are accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light, altimeter and heart rate monitor. Features include our activity tracking, call and message notifications, LED flashlight, multiple time zones, control music, heart rate tracking, alarm clock, custom goal settings. Also supports voice activated via Google Maps. The smartwatch is known for its accurate reading, be it time, heart rate, sleep time. The display is the sharp 0.96-inch glass lens. For fitness lovers, this watch is a must-buy for your loved ones. The extra features of the watch are heart rate monitor, step counts, distance measuring, calorie consumption management, sleep monitor, event trigger, water drinking, taking medicine, meeting, call reminder, clock, sedentary reminder, anti-lost, positive and negative direction lookup, remote camera, vibration alarm clock.